Using the Colour Wow Root Cover Up Red shade, I'm going to show you how you can instantly camouflage your grey, dark and light regrowth in between your salon visits. It's a really easy process. I'm going to show you how. You load up the small end of the brush, making sure you get a lot of product on there. Then you pull the hair down tight. This allows the product to adhere correctly to the roots. Now it's important you don't brush, but you press the product into the root area. This will stay on right up until you next shampoo it. Now this product is built up of lots of different tones, so it was designed to blend with a lot of different red shades. Now as you can see, that blends seamlessly with your red hair and it looks and feels completely natural. That's the root cover up in red.